When planning a window installation project in Silver Spring, it's crucial to consider how the local weather can affect the process. Window replacement or installation is a big investment, and understanding how different weather conditions can influence the timeline, quality, and cost of your project helps you make informed decisions. In this article, we'll explore the various ways weather impacts window installation and how you can ensure the best results. Temperature consideration. In Silver Spring, the climate varies widely throughout the year, from chilly winters to hot and humid summers. These fluctuations in temperature can affect both the installation process and the materials used. Winter. During the colder months, typically from November to March, low temperatures can pose challenges for window installation. Cold weather may prevent the caulking and adhesives used to seal the windows from curing properly, potentially leading to air or water leaks. Additionally, the installation team will need to take extra precautions to ensure that the windows are properly insulated during the process, as the draft from the opening can make the home colder and less energy efficient. Summer. On the flip side, the hot and humid summer months can also present issues. Extreme heat can cause the window materials, like vinyl, to warp or become less flexible. This could make installation more difficult, potentially leading to a poor seal or misalignment. However, with careful planning and proper tools, an experienced installer can mitigate these risks by working early in the morning or later in the evening when temperatures are more manageable. Rain and humidity. Silver Spring experiences its fair share of rainfall, particularly during the spring and summer months. Installing windows during wet conditions is not advisable, as it can compromise the integrity of the installation. Rain can interfere with the proper sealing of the windows and cause moisture to seep into the structure, which can lead to mold growth, wood rot, or other long-term issues. Humidity can also be problematic, especially during the summer. When humidity levels are high, materials like wood and caulk may absorb moisture, which can affect the fit and seal of your new windows. Installers typically prefer to work in dry conditions to ensure the materials maintain their quality and that everything seals correctly. Wind and storms. Windy conditions, particularly during the fall and early winter, can make it harder for window installation teams to work efficiently and safely. Strong winds may increase the risk of accidents and can make it challenging to handle large, heavy windows. Moreover, extreme storms, common in the region, can delay the installation process significantly, especially if they occur during a scheduled installation day. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on weather forecasts when scheduling your window installation to avoid unnecessary delays. Best times to install windows in Silver Spring. Given the diverse climate in Silver Spring, the ideal time for window installation is typically during the spring or fall, when temperatures are mild and the chances of precipitation are lower. During these seasons, conditions are more favorable for the adhesives and caulking to set properly, and the installers can work efficiently without the risks associated with extreme heat or cold. Conclusion. Weather plays a significant role in the success of your window installation in Silver Spring. By understanding how temperature, rain, humidity, and storms can impact the process, you can work with your contractor to choose the best time for installation and ensure your windows are installed properly and securely. Whether you're upgrading your home for energy efficiency, improving curb appeal, or enhancing comfort, planning your window installation with weather in mind will help you achieve the best results.